you have found drugstore primers for oily skin that will make you look like, yes, Poppy, you want some of this?
Stroke it for me, stroke it, baby, stroke it, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's OHMYJUNAID here. Lide is the name. If you want to see what primers I use and which is my favorite, keep keep watching. No, but also like. Disclaimer, this is my opinion. I'm going to start off with my least favorite primer, but still works very well for oily skin. So the first primer that I use, my least favorite, is the NYX Primer. It is a translucent primer, loving primer. It truly is. Like when I take photos, I'd be looking poppin'. I have no makeup on my skin, so I'm also gonna put it on my skin so I can explain how it feels. So with this one, it feels very smooth, and I feel like it kind of moisturizes my skin, which I really love. But the only issue why it's not my favorite is that I kind of feel like over time, throughout the day, if I don't have setting powder on or enough setting spray, it doesn't hold off as well as I want it to. Like I feel like my face is like crumbling into one. Another one that is really good but is lower end of my bracket will be the Milani Shield Primer. It is a mattifying and pore minimizing. Something that's great if you have oily skin and you need a primer, find a primer that says oil free, like this one. This is also very similar to the NYX one, where it is translucent and clear. I'll put it here. Again, it feels very similar to the NYX one, where it's like smooth and kind of feels like it's almost moisturizing my skin in a sense. They have pretty similar ingredients, which would make sense since I think that, like, they feel so similar on my skin. Like this has way more products in it compared to the Milani, which is another reason why I like the Milani one more. The Milani one is kind of it feels more lightweight compared to this one. And I feel like the NYX one kind of soothes in your skin. It takes a little bit longer to soothe in your skin compared to the Milani one. The one I actually really enjoy is the Remy London. It's Stay Matte. It's a mattifying primer. I like this one so much. I actually bought this when I was at Primark. I just needed a primer when I was in New York, so I picked this up right now. And this did wonders. Like I had makeup on all day. I was sweating at the club, throwing in bath, you know what I'm saying. But primer is so great. It comes out compared to the other two that I just showed. It comes out more. See, look, it's almost done. I gotta get a new one. It comes out white rather than a clear color. And when you put it on, you kind of have to like put on my nose. Kind of have to rub it in, just because it's a color. But it kind of feels like a clay almost on me. And a soothing clay. Like I want to put this all over my body like a lotion, and it kind of dries in a sense, but it feels so smooth. Like, oh, I can touch my nose for days right now. It feels so smooth and great on the skin that when I put it on and when I put foundation over it, it stays. And I put my powder, it just stays. It literally is staying there. The primer just soaks it all in. There is no oil showing. Like with it, like it takes a while for the oil to start showing, and I think because it's so mattifying, magnificent, yeah, like you can wear it alone. Maybe in the summer I will try it, you know, put it on if I feel very like I'm going, you know, just have a matte look. Leave. You can leave. Like I opened the door for Sav to leave and he don't even want to go. So I really enjoyed this one, especially when you put setting spray. Like it just like you just feel matte, and that's what you want when you have oily skin, because your oil will come out of nowhere somehow, somewhere. This was literally the best primer until I found this, the Milani Perfect Perfection Face Primer that was hydration and pore minimizing. I think my life changed. This one was so great because like it's oil free. Milani ones are oil free, which are great. And this one, similar to the Remy London one, it comes out white as well. I think what I really enjoy about these is the ones that come out white happen to be hydrating and pore minimizing, and I think that's what I like on my skin, a hydrating, pore minimizing feel, so that even though I have oily skin and the matte takes it kind of away, it's hydrating my skin, you know, making it feel like a soft, you know, girl that I can just rule the world, you know what I'm saying? This one as well, you can use alone or use as a primer. The NYX one does not say you should use it alone. The Milani one says you can use it alone, and the Remy London one says you can use it alone. So the Milani is definitely my favorite one. Something I did get Milani the bright one, Prime Light, and this one gave more of a glow to the skin. There's no big crazy difference. It has more of, like, you can see it has more of a glow in it. Like, it will make your skin more golden or give it a little bit of that glow though, you know, the glow though. You need the glow at all times. So that one, it kind of gives you a glow. There's a shimmer inside of it that's really great. I hope you guys found this video really useful. Please comment down below if you guys have tried any of these. Also, if there's one that you specifically like the most. If there are any primers that are out there that are good for oily skin that I don't know about, please comment down below and let me know. Because I'm always trying to figure out, you know, what is the best thing for my skin. Thank you so much for watching. OHMYJUNAID is signing out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Sav, do you have anything to say? You've been quite quiet these past few videos, and yet you are such a talker. Oh, it's because you want this. You want this. This is what you want. That's why.